Hello aspirants, I am Indumati Karthikeyan from INCAR IAS Academy. Today we are going to see about 15th November current affairs. This topic is taken from the Delhi edition. The first topic is editorial. What is the major astound behind 2024 election in US, which is comes under the topic of GS2, effects of policies and politics of developed and developing countries on India's interest, and also it comes under the topic of Indian diaspora. In recent election, Donald Trump won the US presidential post. Donald Trump rise in prominence highlights a democratic flaw, the absence of a social aware and also informed electorate that focus on the greater good. So, because of that, there is a uncertainty in the trade. That is, Donald Trump, America's first policy may result in higher tariffs on Indian exports, which would especially impact the Indian textile industry, pharmaceutical industry, and also the IT industries. During the first term, the term Trump criticized Indian trade policies. That is, therefore, there is a chance to increase the trade tension between the India and the USA. He had criticized India's tariff and may now encourage India to lower them. As part of his broader protectionist agenda, the United States may put more taxes on the Indian imports, and also they could reduce the Indian export competitiveness in the US market, and also it's hurting revenue for the Indian companies. So, however, Indian exports could gain from Trump's China plus one policy, which pushes businesses to diversify their manufacturing away from China. And also, economic policies may create higher inflation in the US. The US Federal Reserve's effort to reduce inflation may have an impact on our Indian monetary policy as well. So, for example, higher interest rate announced by the US central bank will increase volatility in the stock market as investor will see good return option in the US. They will shift their investment to US. This will increase outflow from the Indian market and also impact new foreign investments in India. And also there is a impact on Indian rupee may continue to decline as a result of Trump's protectionist economic policies and the possibilities of appreciation of the US dollars. In the coming months, experts predict that Indian rupee will weaker and it may even cross the 85.0 mark due to the volatility of the world. So, the US dollar strengthening may further put pressure on the Indian rupee. Trump's economic policy, including tax incentives for the manufacturing firms, may increases inflation on the US, which will indirectly affect the global economic growth. And also, India may be impacted by these policies, and possible shutdown in the international trade will affect the trading relations mainly with China and also with Europe. According to experts, India may experience a slowdown in its own growth and a decline in the demand for its exports, and also the global growth also slows down. But in case of our defense, there is a strengthened partnership will occur. It is expected that Trump's comeback will improve India US defense and geostrategic cooperation to combat China expanding influence in the Indian Ocean region and also the Indian Pacific area. Trump made major contribution in strengthening defense ties with India during his first term in his office, and also they signing the fundamental defense pacts like BECA, COMCACSA, and also LEMOA, which improved security cooperation, logistics supports, and also the intelligence sharing information was one of the major turning points. And also, India US defense trades in expected to increase during Trump's second term with more transfers of advanced military orders and also the technologies. India shift away from dependency on Russian military hardware and towards diversifying its defenses, and America made system probably going to increase. So we have both American and Russian uh, defense mechanism. So we got the both superpower mechanism in our strategical partner. India US defense trade is expected to increase in this period. I hope his administration will likely speed up high tech military agreements and improve collaboration with India. India could benefit from more defense trade, deeper security coordination, and also improvements in the military technology transfer due to earlier agreements like BECA, COMCASA, and also LEMOA. There is a possible impact over on the H1B visa. First of all, we must know the overview of the H1B visa programs. The purpose and eligibility of the H1B program allows American employees to hire foreign professional in specially occupation requiring specialized skills, and also least a bachelor's degree. And the program intent is to fill skill gaps in the US workforce by authorizing temporary employment for the qualified individuals. And also there is a visa gaps, also exceptions in the H1B visa. The H1B visa gap is set to 65,000 new visas per fiscal year, with an additional 20,000 visas for individual with US master's degree or higher degree. And also certain employers like higher education institution, non-profit, and government research organizations are exempt from this cap. And India's national dominance in the H1B visas, the fiscal year 2023 Indians were above to a 72.3%, that is 2,79,000 of total H1B visa approvals, followed by the Chinese nationals at 11.7%. There is a historical background between the H1B restrictions, that is increased scrutiny, visa denial rates, and request for evidence, that is RFEs, rose sharply, with denial rates reaching 30% by 2020, and also it's compared to just 3.2% under Obama. But high wage requirement, the Trump administration attempted to raise wage floors for H1B holders by 43 to 71 percentage through this measure was blocked in by the court. Limits on visa numbers. Speculation arose about further limiting the visas or prioritizing those with advanced skills. There is a planned restrictions also arrived. That is Trump's America's first chance suggestions potential major reform to limit the immigration and also prioritize American workers. And 2024 campaign proposed reducing H1B visa and also enforcing stricter eligibility, which may impact the technical giants like Amazon, Google, and also rely on the H1B talents. There is potential for shorter visa durations, especially for third party placements, increasingly uncertainty for both employers and the employees. So these are the main historical view on what are the impact on the Indian professional. That is, they can tighten H1B policies, could reduce job prospects for the Indian professional in the US tech sectors, and it's complicate family reunification for current visa holders. There is a major impact on the India and Russia relations. That during this Trump period, India will able to maintain its strategic autonomy in its relation with Russia. Due to Trump's optimistic relation with the Russian president, the strategy may reduce regional and global tensions. Maybe it may remove the war arena also, which will allow India to handle its complicated diplomatic situation without excessive pressure and also in smoother manner. The conclusion is India US relationship may face both opportunities and also challenges under the Trump administration. India expected to gain from potential increase in defense trade. However, Trump's America's first policy America's first policy may result in higher tariffs and increased trade tension, particularly in industries like textiles, IT, pharmaceutical. Navigating these challenges while maintaining close economic tie with the US may present significant challenges for India. Thank you.